All right, this time of the year, flowering plums are just emerging. So you see these all over Vancouver right now, almost Vancouver, just before the cherry trees start to come out. So these are full to part sun trees. They don't seem to like the heat too much. If it's really warm, they tend to struggle a little bit. But other than that, easy care in Vancouver climate. You can see the leaves are starting to come out at the same time. So flowering plums are nowadays, they're used quite often as a ornamental tree for the city boulevards. And you can see they'll sprout everywhere. So normally if you want these to stay as a tree form, you want to prune off all these suckers on the bottom of the tree, all the way down, keep a solid, clean trunk. These guys max out about 15-20 feet tall, 20-25 feet wide. You can see here at the soccer field, I got them all the way down, planted on one side of the field here. Yeah, if anyone's looking at checking out some flowering plums, it's a good time to come out. It's hard to see now with the clouds, but we're in Kitsilano, so these are planted on most boulevards here in Kitsilano. See the ones way down there. But yeah, pretty easy care tree here in Vancouver. Again, they like full sun to part shade. So again, if it's a really hot location, they don't do overly too well. So keeping them maybe in east side, a little bit of south side of your property, or it's just kind of getting a little bit more shady when the hot time of the day comes, is probably a perfect spot for these guys. Morning, afternoon sun. Keep moist when you first plant them. Once they're established, they're usually okay, but if there's a hot season, you do want to water them at least a good watering once a week, once every 2 weeks, just to keep them fairly happy through the hot time of the year. All right, I'll catch you later. Just kind of going through this nice, beautiful, newly soccer field and running course here. Our son's over there playing soccer, and this is the running field here. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.